Okay, so I have made it to my next destination and my hair looks great. I'm gonna do the wash day later. So I am waiting for my cousin, and ironically, she found this place and she does not even live anywhere near here. So I told you guys I was going to give you like bits and pieces. So I've moved to the woods. Like, I live like in farm territory. This is serious. And I still commute closer to, I still work and have to commute closer to DC. So I'm a city girl, and so I don't know where anything is, but like when I tell you, like, this is the woods, the farm, like everybody drives pickup trucks and ain't nobody missing no meals. And I mean, it's serious. So I don't even know what's going on in my own neck of the woods, right? So she found this place, and you're going to get to see what it is soon. But I'm like completely fascinated because it's giving me some city vibes in the farm area that I did not know even existed. And because I work so much, and I work a lot, and I'm also in school. I start back up on the 27th of this month, and it is draining. Sucking the life out of me. But I've been here now for 2 years, and I had no idea that this little location was even here. So it's pretty cool. It's a little small little location, but it's giving me like almost like they're trying to build like a little Soho downtown earthy kind of area vibes in the middle of the woods. So So anyway, I'm super excited about this workout today. And so I guess what chapter 45 is teaching me, is it's okay to mix it up, which I'm always down for mixing it up anyway. I'm always down for trying something new. But not like that. But, you know, normally I do like weightlifting, you know, I do the weights and stuff like that. I like to do the weights and stuff. But today we're going to be doing something completely different. And you'll see in a sec. And I'm just going to get out and go ahead and go in and check in and see if she's in. And take a little video footage of what they got trying to build up down here in the farm. All right. Okay, so as you can see, this is the setup, and you go in and you have to get yourself adjusted in the fabric. And this is me just trying to get myself adjusted. And we began the class just by stretching. The teacher, Angela, she was great. Right here, this was a planking move. And you really felt this in your core. This was a good move. I enjoyed that. We used the block, the yoga block. And then some more stretching. You really stretched out your back, your hamstrings. I enjoyed this too. And you get right into the workout and you feel it. And then we just kind of open up those hip flexors. And we did this on each side. We stretched into this. And this was a total body stretch. And then we moved right into this. And I wish I could have gotten a little bit better footage. But this worked out pretty good for you just to see how we had to get into the fabric and how we really had to stretch out. And that is my cousin Angela next to me. And the instructor's name is Angela, and my name is Angela too. I mean, no, excuse me. The instructor's name is Angela, and my cousin's name is Angela. My name is Nikki. Hello. This move actually hurt quite a bit. So I had to use a piece of fabric for my hip. And even with the fabric, it still was kind of painful. I had to like really focus on where to adjust myself at to get that to work really well. And then you go right into this move right here, which I felt comfortable with this move. But later on, you'll see another move where I had to do something similar to this. And I just couldn't quite get my legs to bend. And I couldn't understand it. Like, I just couldn't do it. And the instructor said it was like a mindset thing. So, this exercise is very mental. So I just kind of hung out here and rocked around for a little bit. So now we're preparing for another move. And progressively, it just kind of got harder and harder. But it was interesting. And this one, like, you started really stretching out the fabric. And you had to pull the fabric all the way back completely on your leg and your butt. Which it wasn't easy to do that. For some reason, it wasn't easy to like cover up one whole entire butt cheek. And then it's really stretched you out. And, you know, she kind of took it to another level. She's showing us how some people did double legs. And so my cousin and I both really went for it. And we went double legs. We went both legs in. And to my surprise, I'm up there. Both of my legs are in, and so for my cousin. So we did pretty good for beginners with this. And you actually tuck your foot into the fabric, and you feel this stretch. So if you are having issues with your hips or your spine, this is a great workout to really stretch out all of those major muscles and bones. Like, it's a great stretch. Sitting in here swing style, I have to be honest, was not easy because I'm short. I was trying to get her to lower the fabric for me, but she said it would actually make it harder. And this is the move, I think. Yep, this is it. Y'all, I was on a struggle bus. I was driving it. My legs. And she kept saying, it's mental, it's mental. And so, like, I had just did it, but it wasn't going back. Like, I was comfortable with going back. It was literally bending my legs around the fabric. I just couldn't get into that. And it was like my knees wouldn't bend. I was like, what is happening to me? Like, that position that they're in, you have to wrap them around the fabric. And my legs won't trying to go, y'all. My legs was like, nope, not today. But she was a great teacher. Angela was a great teacher. And she just kept working with me until, I guess, my brain caught up with my body. Because y'all, look a mess. Look at that. That is a mess. The struggle was real. Like, what? And I'm surprised that I just kept trying to just, like, really do this. Like, I really just kept trying. Like, I was determined, like, I'm going to get this. I'm going to get this. I just couldn't figure out what was going on with my body. Like, what was going on? I couldn't get it. And somehow I just all of a sudden, like, somehow I got it. It wasn't that time, but eventually I did get it. So this is her giving me some tough love. Like, you can do this. And it's something about the fabric, like getting it under the under booty enough to get your legs up. And I got a lot of booty. So to get it under there, to try to get it up, you really got to struggle. Okay, so I finally have it. Whoop, whoop. And this is so exciting. My shirt is trying to give me the business. My mom belly's trying to make her appearance. But if I must say so, the picture that I got, everything looks better hanging upside down. But I enjoyed it once I got in the position and everything. And I did feel very comfortable. My cousin said she felt a little lightheaded, but I didn't. I actually enjoyed it. As you can see, I'm just trying to adjust my clothes, my wardrobe. But I enjoyed it. And I just kind of, just kind of hung out there for a while. And it just kind of felt good having the blood circulate around, But yeah, this was probably the hardest position as far as like physically getting into it. And once again, I can't even tell you why that position was even difficult to get into. It truly had everything to do with me bending my knees. It didn't have anything to do with anything else. It was my knees. Okay, this is where things got really, really tricky because sitting in this was super hard because I'm short. I'm very, very short. As you can see, my little legs are trying to get in there. I got up there, but then trying to adjust myself. Like, these are real short people problems. But I got in there, and then you got to just kind of wrap yourself up like a cocoon. And once I got in, you're supposed to lean back. And I realized I had some trust issues here. I was not trusting the fabric with laying back. And Angela kind of came over and talked me through it. But as you can see, I'm spiraling out. Like, oh my goodness, what's going on? So she was just like, you know, just come on, just lay back, just lay back. I was like, you want me to trust the fabric? She was like, yeah. And I did. And ironically, this was actually probably my favorite part of the class, because you just literally hang out and you're just like suspended in air, and you really get to relax and just chill. And I loved it. And I don't know, it feels warm and comforting. So this definitely probably was one of my favorite parts of the class, and she really wanted us to experience this, so definitely enjoyed this part. So this is the money shot. This is a front picture of the move that I was struggling with. And once again, it was just trying to get those feet wrapped around the fabric. But once I got it, I had it. I was super proud of myself. And so I took a picture of this, and I just really enjoyed the picture that I took of this. And as you can see, I'm just like super duper excited that I got this particular pose. It takes a lot of core work, a lot of ab work, and my jelly and rolls wasn't trying to stay where they were supposed to be at, but I absolutely just love this picture once I took it, because it just proved that, you know, sometimes you can step outside of your comfort zone and just really do something that you never thought that you would do. So shout out to my cousin Angela for inviting me to do this. I was down. And we wrapped up the day with a cousin photograph. My other cousin was there. This is my cute sweatshirt, my Black History Month sweatshirt. And we checked out this botanic cafe that's connected to the fitness center. And they had some delicious, delectable treats. It was just a perfect Sunday. We really enjoyed ourselves. It was a quaint little cafe. The food was, of course, delicious. And this was that hairstyle I told you about that worked out just great. And just a perfect wrap up, perfect end of the day, perfect pose. Hope you enjoyed the video.